right, guys, we're still working on the Expo, and now we are on the booth on FiltraBox. So FiltraBox is actually quite cool, and I'm here with Beck. He's going to talk us a little bit more about this. Pay attention, because this will save your life.
Hi, good morning. This is Pek Sidara with PAT Technology Systems, the proud manufacturer of FiltraBox brand of fume extraction systems for professional use. What we do, we manufacture fume extractors for clean air. We provide clean air for a variety of applications, for a variety of different industries, but particularly here at this show, at the APA show, we are concentrating on the laser industry, the laser market. And what we have here, we have here our compact decks and our micro systems. So we manufacture a wide variety and sizes of fume extraction systems. Again, for professionals and for professional use. Some of the things that stand out with our products is we offer a slim line. Slim line means they're very slim, they're very modular, they're very compact. And we size our systems based on the size of the laser system that you are using. So we have small, medium, large to kind of go along with small, medium, and large laser systems. Some of the other selling points regarding our product is stackability, modularity. So the compact decks provides high pressure, up to 235 CFM of air pressure. It plugs into your standard 110 wall outlet, and it's very quiet in operation, only maxing out at about 50 decibels as far as the noise level goes. So with FiltraBox, what you also get is, again, the modularity that I talked about earlier. Our filters, our air pressure goes from the top down, and what we have are three separate filters. Three separate filters for three separate purposes. So when you are laser engraving, whether you're using a CO2 or a fiber laser, or any wavelength laser, you are burning materials. And we offer, again, three separate filters for three separate reasons, three separate purposes. Our pre-filter. Our pre-filter, you can see the frame and the quality of our units, solid, rigid frame. Our pre-filter material is rated at F14, which is the highest rating in this industry and compared to our competitors. The pre-filter collects the initial particles from the laser engraving process, the larger particles, whether you're engraving metals or wood or cutting acrylic. This is the first line of defense. It's the pre-filter. Now, particles, smaller particles that perhaps get past the pre-filter are then captured by our HEPA filter. Our HEPA filter captures the submicronic particles, 0.3 microns and less. Those get captured by our HEPA filter. Same build quality, and our HEPA filters are rated at H14, also highest in class. The third filter is our carbon filter. Our carbon filter is a mixture of coconut shell and potassium permanganate. This is what captures the odor. So when you're cutting acrylic, when you're cutting leather, you're generating VOCs, volatile organic compounds, from that laser burning, laser etching process. And all those VOCs are then captured by our carbon filter. And it's important to have three separate filters for those three separate purposes. And again, it's all stackable, it's all easily maintained. Then once you get down in here, you'll see our blower, you'll see our airflow, our speed sensor here. So modularity, compact, very effective.
Now, Beck, something that I just noticed and it's amazing. I saw the screen that was on, but I didn't know the machine was running.
It's actually running.
So the machine is so quiet.
Yep.
And it's not about all the filters that make it quiet. It was all the way to the last filter.
Right.
And the machine, you can hear when you remove it on the motor.
Right.
Other than that, the machine is quiet. I'm standing right next to it right now, and I don't hear it.
Yeah, there's a big difference in quality. I mean, when you talk about fume extraction and for The viewers, you guys might be in the market for a laser system, might be in the market for fume extraction to go along with our laser system, but you got to realize that there's a big difference in quality. Again, PAT, we manufacture fume extractors for professional use. So, whether you're spending $500 or $5,000 or $50,000 for your laser system, don't ignore fume extraction. It's a very important process of running a successful business and for your health. You want to be able to breathe clean air, and I'm assuming a lot of the audience members also are running starting off their laser business out of their home. And so when you're running out of your home, again, you got your pets, you got your family, you got your own health. You want clean air in your house, and that's where we come into play, and that's the big difference between us and the lesser known competitors, if you will.
Right. Yeah, so this is actually quite good because I start with the lasers. I start in an apartment. And I try to vent everything through the window. So you get one of those accessory kits to put a vent on the window, but they don't really work because your window is not sealed properly. The motor that you're using is not the proper motor, and therefore you end up breathing all this, passively breathing all this. And so I know everyone is want to say, you know what, it might be too much for me, but I gotta tell you one thing. Look at this guy. That guy is amazing. Doesn't use any space. And I see on the top that you can have different sizes for the adapter. I think that one that he has is a 4-inch.
Yep, they're all 4 inches. And regardless of which laser system you have, we provide the hose kit for you to connect to that.
There you
so
go.
Whether it's a 4-inch, a 2-inch, a 6-inch, we provide the hose kit, and we'll size it based on what your needs are. If you're starting off with a small laser system, a fiber, a YAG laser, we can definitely go with the micro. That might be recommended, but you contact us. We'll consult, we'll talk about your applications, how you use your laser, and then we'll find the right size filter box to match your needs.
That's beautiful. That's awesome. All right, guys, so please check for FiltraBox.com. They have awesome products. I really blown away by the products. I'm gonna get mine. Why not? Just go ahead, look for that on Google. I'm sure you will find all the information that you want online. I'm sure there's a contact form. Reach out to them, ask the right questions, make sure that you keep your health up so you can keep your business and your family safe. So go for FiltraBox, guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your time. Thank you for your time.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.